Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG update. So this is a quick video on how to connect your Paws account to a supported Solana wallet like Phantom. So first of all, what you need to do is to download Phantom wallet, and please make sure to perform these tasks as quick as possible, because as we time of making this video, we have 12 hours left to complete these tasks to get 10,000 horse points. So what you need to do first of all is to download a Phantom wallet. This is a Phantom wallet. Download it. Alright, after downloading the Phantom wallet, please make sure to create an account, and don't forget to save your 12 seed phrase. Make sure to write it down somewhere, because that 12 seed phrase is your recovery phrase. After that, then you click on proceed. You have created a Phantom wallet. So now what you need to do is to click on N. After clicking on N, you click on start. After clicking on start, you select Phantom. Now you click on connect Phantom wallet. Then it's going to direct you to your Phantom wallet. Now what you need to do is to click connect. Okay, so now you can see Solana wallet connected. Now what you need to do is to click on claim. So this is how to claim the latest tax on Paws. So just connect your Solana wallet and you are good to go. So there is a new tax as well for you to perform. As you can see on the screen, what you need to do is to click on join. For this, follow them on X if you wish to follow them. After you follow them, you click on claim. As for this start mining FOMO hash, if you click on it, alright, just click start, and it's going to direct you here. So for you to get these 6,000 Paws points, you need to subscribe to this FOMO hash with 20 stars before you can access it. So with 20 stars before you can access it. So I don't have enough stars, so I can't perform these tasks now. So for you to get the 6,000 Paws points, you need 20 stars to perform that task. So it's not a must. This is how to do the latest tasks for those of you participating in this airdrop campaign. Please make sure to do this as quick as possible, because this campaign is going to end this month and we don't have enough time again. So this project is going to launch next year. So please make sure to take this serious and connect your Solana wallet. I think they are going to launch on that Solana, or maybe they are going to launch on Dawn and Solana. Well, we don't know. But nowadays we don't know till then. But just make sure to complete these tasks as quick as possible. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And this is AG update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.